Yo, welcome back. So today I want to talk about the GX2. And pretty much what that is, for you people who don't know about that, is it's pretty much the GX4 Carry. Well, it's pretty much this, but in the form of a GX4. Let me backtrack. So pretty much the GX4 Carry is kind of like this. Well, it is this GX4 XL, but with a Picatinny at the bottom. The bottom of this. And by the way, all these firearms is clear. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, it's pretty much a XL, but with the Picatinny rail. And the reason I didn't get the XL, because I mean not the XL, the Carry, because I didn't personally see a reason for me to go out and get that. It's pretty much almost the same gun. It's got a Picatinny rail at the bottom. I wanted to get it, but I'm like, I don't really put too much at the bottom of my guns besides these lights and lasers and stuff. And I have special holsters for it. So it's like, if I was to get that gun, I have to buy special holsters that'll fit the lights and attachments that goes onto these guns. So I never went to really go get it. The GX2 is pretty much a GX4 Carry that I just talked about in the form clear of a G3C. So, I don't know if y'all remember the GX3. I'm not sorry, G3C. See, they have so many versions of these G3s. I can't. One of them, pretty much, one of them was the size of this. I can't remember which one it is off bat, but it's probably posted down here somewhere. But it's G3C short slide with the full size G3 grip. That's pretty much what the X2 is. It's a GX4 Carry. I'm sorry, it's a GX4 slide with the GX4 Carry longer handle. And usually I don't buy guns that's like that. Like, I like to stick to the drop version of it. So like this XL, I didn't buy this gun like this. So pretty much what I did was I just bought the slide from Taurus, and just pretty much I had bought another when I bought this, it came with this slide. So I pretty much really wanted the lower, and the XL lower will go on here. If you buy the whole slide, it comes with the spring, the barrel, and all that. So you just pretty much just slide it on. And another reason I didn't get the Carry, or I'm not getting the X2, is because now it might be now this is a GX4 Carry magazine. The what is it, the 15 round? That will fit in these. I'm not gonna load it, but they will fit in both these GX4s. So we know for a fact that this magazine will fit in a Carry. I don't know if this will fit in the X2. I don't know, but all these different type of magazines, like I got the standard 13 round that will fit in both of these. Well, these just pinky grips on here. So this is when you buy the X4 and the regular X4. This is what they look like. So I just pretty much bought the extensions. Well, actually, if you get the XL, they come with these type of mags, the 13 round mags. These are 13 round mags. But this bottom plate that I bought, this is before they had to came out the XL. You can buy the plate. They change out the bottom plate of it to give it to 3 extra rounds. So that, well, now naturally that will come with the XL automatically. So when you buy it, it will have that already like that. Remember, I got this before the XL came out. So, but they were selling the extended plates on there. So you can just slap that out and, you know, have extra rounds. And then when the XL came out, they start coming with the extended mags. Like that. So what I'm getting at is the reason I didn't get it is because I have so much compatibility with these. Like this XL and the GX4, the GX4 XL and the regular GX4, I have so many compatibilities. I got the magazines, the slides, different slides. Like all these are compatible with each other. I don't know about the Carry or the X2. Now, not knocking anybody who has it. Me personally, I don't like buying guns that's like, now I made an exception with this XL, but I feel like that was kind of in a new lead of itself. But I don't like buying like the G3C or G3CX. I don't know the name of it, but pretty much the G3C slide with the G3C, I mean the full size G3 lower. I don't like my guns like that. Second of all, I probably would have bought it. I don't know if I can take the frame, like a G3C. You can't take a G3C frame, put it on a G3 lower, like this. Here, I can do that. So that's why I didn't buy this. The what is that? A G3C XL or something like that? That's why I didn't buy that and put it on, because you can't swap the stuff out. It's tied to that. These, I can interchange all these if I wanted to. And that's what I like about it. Like, if I'm tired of being gray for the day, I could swap this out for this. Or if I wanted to put optics on here on the GX4, I could just swap it onto this. So that's what I like about it. You know, it's interchangeable. And I feel like if I was to get that GX4 Carry or the GX2, I feel like I would have to start over, like buying lights and special holsters that works with it. You can't just, like, I don't think you can just get these holsters and have it fit on there. So it's like I'm starting all over. And for what I do, it's like I have to have special type of holsters to wear. And good quality holsters, you know, that's decent enough to hold equipment, well, with my equipment. So having a light like this TLR6 light, I had to buy a special holster just to fit this gun. In fact, let me get it. These are holsters through Taurus. This one is through Taurus, and this one will fit with this TLR6. That will fit that perfect. I mean, it's originally for the XL, but it will still fit the GX4. And this one will fit this Taurus laser light, like so. Or if I want to swap out the slides, you know, if I swap up the slides, it'll fit that still regardless. So it's a lot of compatibility with these GX4s, and that's the reason why I haven't upgraded yet, because I feel like I will have to start all this over, and I can't just swap out compatibility parts with that. I don't know if the X2 features will be able to work right with the Carry, you know. So I had kind of branched over to the daggers. I mean, they obviously two different guns. I mean, and I did kind of have to start over with that. But you know, I feel like with the GX4s, it was complete. Like I didn't. It was no need for me to buy a carry anymore. Like I said, I'll be starting over, buying this and buying that. But with the carry, I mean with the daggers, it was like a new beginning with that. So I wanted to. I guess you can say I wanted to sway away from Tauruses for a minute, because I had Tauruses for so many years since the G2C. Like I had a Taurus, the Taurus G2C, Taurus G3, and then the G3C, and the TH9. No, I don't know how the TH9C. I mean the TH9. But I got the TH9C. And the TX22. So you know, the dagger was my way in trying to you know go into a new field with handguns. So, which I fell in love with the daggers. Now I got 3 daggers. I got 2 compacts and 1 micro. I might build a full size version now. I don't know. I'm still on the fence of that. Still thinking about that, but yeah. So that's the reason why I never bought the carry or the X2 that just dropped recently. I don't think I'm gonna get it. And if I do get it, the reason I'm not jumping on it right away is because they don't have an optics cut ready yet. At least right now, I didn't see any right now. It might be in a month from now. I don't know. But I didn't see any. And that kind of deterred me away from it. Like, all my guns I get now, I want an optics cut out for it now. So that's a requirement for me, is to have the optics. Right now, everything I'm seeing, there's no optics cut out for that at all. So I don't know. They right now they got 240 something, 250, which is a damn good price. But I'm just like, I don't know. Like, I feel like I'm buying the same thing. Only thing I'm different is I'm getting a Picatinny rail at the bottom, which I really don't utilize like that. And then you got to factor in, if you do buy, you can't just slap any light on there, because if you do, you want to put it in a holster, but you want to make sure the holster is compatible with the whatever light you or laser or light you put it on. So it has to be specifically compatible with that. Here, like I said, I can just play Legos with this. Like if I want this light to be on this gun, it can. Or I want this light to be on this XL, it can. And I just swap holsters. No problem. I don't know if I can do that with the carry or the XL. I mean the carry or the X2. But hey, if you got it, you know, I'm not knocking you if you got it. You know, that's great if you got it. Me personally, I don't think I'll be getting it. It looks nice. It's just not my taste or feel. I don't like buying I don't like playing Frankenstein with models like this. When I mean Frankenstein, like I said, you know, when they take a G3C slide and putting on a full size G3 lower. That's just weird to me for some reason. I don't know why. It just is. Even though the XL's pretty much the same thing almost, but it's unique in its own way. Hard to explain. It is. It goes with it. It looks right with it. With the X2, it looks good. It's just, I don't know. It's just not my taste. Like I could have got the G3C Frankenstein versions of that, but I just didn't want to do it. I like my GX4s, and I feel like they're perfect. I don't need that. Like I said, the X2 was to turn me away, as there's no optics cut out for it, and that is a must for me. Now, if I do get it, I will probably get it when they do the optics cut out for it. But right now, hell, do the Carry even have optics? I think, you know what? I think that's what swayed me away from the Carry version, because they didn't have optics cut out when they first dropped it. I didn't see none with optics cut out. And I think that's why I didn't get it. Yeah, yep, that's why. When they dropped that the Carry version, they didn't have optics. I don't know if they have it now, but when they first dropped it, they didn't have optics cut out at all. I even went to 3 different stores looking for it at Dunham's, and they said, we don't have any with optics cut out. So I'm like, I'm not buying it. I have to have optics. My options to have optics cut out on here. It's the case I want to run the optics on here. I mean, of course I can shoot without it, but it's kind of like, I still want that choice to have it on or off. But all right, that's my video. This my little rant about the GX2 and the GX4 Carry.